what's in your Hara starter kit? We have one fibre, which is the green glove, which is for dirt and mould and outside areas. We have the ultra glove, which is the grease and fat and grime glove. And then we have a drying off upmarket star polish cloth. And we have the pH neutral protective formula. The ultra glove is the degreaser. Just by adding water, you can clean fat and grease over your range hood, your splashback, all your cupboards in the kitchen, anywhere where there is grime. And we then flip it over. We have the fibres, which are the degreaser, and then we have the light fibres, which is the new improved star polish cloth, which is a very thick denier microfiber cloth from Hara that actually sucks the grime into the fabric. The green glove. Now the green glove is used for a number of things. It's a dirt glove. It sucks all the dirt, mould into the fabric. So if you've got fly screens, security screens, runners, tracks, I've just cleaned the outside garage, the outside garden furniture is the green glove. We have our pH neutral protective formula, which is actually going to help the fibres, and it does a degrease, and it can be used as a multi-purpose cleaner throughout your home.